Bill.
All right, traders, we are trading YM now. On 34-second chart. The price came below 233 SMA. It's in a narrow range. It's market condition number 4. So I have turned the contrarian mode on. Testing with one contract, ATM1. I took this trade manually. I thought there was a good rebound here. Market will come down here, but it hasn't yet. It's still in this range.
Bill.
So first profitable trade. We have had one profitable trade so far. For some reason, today the connection seems very unstable. Internet connection. Both my computers are getting disconnected from time to time. A good sign for trading. Connection got lost, so my strategy got disconnected. I had to reconnect. There was one profitable trade before the connection got lost. So I'm turning the bot again. That was a bummer. So those who have joined just now, there was a trade here and that was profitable. Then here connection got lost. So I had to reload the software. So having internet connection issues since the time I started to trade this morning, so I better stay away from trading in this kind of situation and see what's going on. So one more trade here. One more profitable trade. This was actually second trade of this live session. Connection got lost, so this here the trade got disappeared. So maybe I will put a note here saying I'm trying to put a note here. Okay. I put a note here and I'm going to draw an arrow. Oops, this is not the right one. So here market is in narrow range again. Not particularly happy with this condition. Market has been consolidating in this range, and a great place to trade. I cannot take risk. I'll just stay with one contract.
Order filled. Order submitted.
So next contrarian trade will come about when the price crosses this top of this green candle.
Order filled.
Looks like trade. I got one more trade. So bullish candle signal here. So market is pushing upwards. So I am going to stop this trade because or move the target here so that I can come out quickly if possible. So market is going against me. So I have turned the scaling mode on so price can average itself out and position gets closed for break even. Let's see when that happens. I expect some kind of resistance here. This is to be expected if one trades in condition number 4, market condition number 4. That's why I highly recommend that people don't trade market condition number 4. Because after a narrow range, market is going to break out in one direction or the other, and we don't want to get caught up in the wrong side of the trade. Expect the software to take trade somewhere here and average itself out, and then come down here where the break-even point would be if a trade is taken at this level.
Order submitted.
One more trade here.
Order filled.
So as you see, the price target came down, which means more than 8 ticks of target in the second trade. It has all this happened automatically. best thing would be to bring this target here, place this stop here, so that if price continues to go back up, we come out for a small loss rather than continue to average two positions. So I took a loss on the second trade. So next averaging has to be at a higher level. Maybe I should have stayed here, stayed with the trade. The market started to come down. So the first trade, if market comes down here, market will give me a loss from here 3 to 26, about 23 ticks of loss, which would be about $115, $120 of loss.
Bill.
So one more trade here. So break even would be somewhere here. So I'm going to pull that down here. Sometimes in fast moving markets, the targets are not set properly at break even. That's an issue we have to live with. Contacted Ninja Trader, and this is what.
Target Bill.
So let's see what has happened here. First trade, $109 loss. Second trade, I manually took the stop, moved the stop here. So $120. But the second trade gave me $125. So I came out with $5 of profit. I would still call it a break-even trade. If you see the first time software moved the target automatically, second time it did not move, but I had the idea where the average price is, and I moved the target manually to that level and salvage this trade. So short is not my preferred trade anymore unless there is a stretch. Maybe churn trade would be better. Churn trade, short trade. So just to show you what it could look like, I'm going to turn it on and see if I get a trade, churn trade, short trade. So it has to go up by about 16 ticks for short to happen. It gives you an indication when when is it likely for short trade to take place. 7 more ticks, 4 more with 3.
Order Bill.
Yes. So churn trade, one trade has been taken.
Target Bill.
So there's another profitable trade in churn trade. So when I saw that market is stretching, I turned the churn trade on. I stayed away from Contrarian because I didn't want to short when market was stretching. If I had taken a Contrarian trade, a trade would have gotten taken here. and I would have had to face some heat.
Order bill.
If you heard order fill, that was another screen here where bot is running. We are trying different strategies, experimenting with uh, different stuff. So So now here, coming back to the screen, question is what trades to take. I would, this is a bit tricky here. So this is market condition number 4. It has consolidated, then tried to move up and face the resistance exactly at 233 SMA. You see how cleanly it found its resistance. Now here we have support at 21 SMA. So unless price breaks down this level, I cannot take short, and market will not be in a downtrending mode anymore. And unless price moves above this line, I cannot say market is in the long condition. So market is at this moment trapped between these two moving averages. So it's a one trade, likely trade could be super scalper or contrarian long. This could be a viable trade. But I'll sit on my hands at this moment. This trend is not very clear. It's uptrending. It's a long, maybe a super scalper long would be good, but there is overhead resistance here. I'm not really keen on trading at this moment. So far, let's look at the profit that we have made. $79 plus $35 from the first trade before the connection was lost. So I think you can watch that live on YouTube. It's if you rewind your YouTube stream, you should be able to see this first trade. By the way, this trade was taken manually because this here very good location. This red candle formed. So 79 plus 35, it's about $115 so far.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
So here market is going back up. So I will turn the short trade contrarian on because here there is resistance. So if I can get a trade here, that could turn out to be profitable. So it's showing 11 ticks to short, 10 ticks to short. So somewhere here the trade will be taken at this level. The price goes up. Now it's 9 ticks to short, 7 ticks to short. So somewhere here it will happen. 2 ticks to short.
Order filled.
Okay, one trade. We got
Target filled.
one more profitable trade. I'm going to stop trading here. I see narrow range, not too comfortable. And also I am looking at another chart for some interesting formation there. So I'm going to pause trading on YM for some few minutes. Okay, market coming down nicely. So we turn the short on to see if we get some trade on pullback.
Submitted. Order filled.
So one more short trade here.
Target filled.
$151 and 35, $186, $187, close to so again a narrow range. So I'm not comfortable trading in narrow range. Here there is a narrow range, so I'm going to turn off Short, I will. In fact, I'm going to stop trading now. $186. I have other things to take care of. We traded about more than 30 minutes. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining. If you have any questions, contact us. You can find our information on slivertrades.com. It's SLIVERTRADEZ.com. Later, our contact details will be in the description box as well. So thanks for joining. Bye now.